Good day, everyone. Welcome to the planning briefing from the National Weather Service in Missoula for February 6, 2020. Couple impacts we're expecting over the next couple days: steady mountain and high elevation snow Thursday through Saturday. This includes all mountain passes with the greatest intensity 2 p.m. Thursday through about 10 a.m. Friday, and then once again on Saturday. We're also expecting snow accumulations in the valleys, especially Thursday evening through Friday morning. Looks to be the time of most intensity. Anywhere from 2 to 7 inches is possible in the vicinity of the Missoula Valley. This includes down to the Bitterroot Valley as well. And then next week, pattern is going to change to we're expecting kind of a prolonged colder pattern, February 10th through 20th with periods of some snow. Okay, so here's a map for our expected snowfall Thursday evening 5 p.m. through 7 a.m. Friday morning. Of note, one of the biggest changes we've had from a couple days ago is we're expecting snowfall on the range of anywhere from, as mentioned, 2 to 7 inches in Missoula and 3 to 4 inches in the Bitterroot Valley. Some of our other big impact areas are going to be along that I-90 corridor from Missoula down to Bearmouth, or Drummond, I should say, and then accumulating snow all the way down I-90 from Drummond to Butte. As mentioned, mountain passes can expect around a foot of snow later this afternoon through Friday morning. About the only areas that aren't expecting snow is over in the lower valleys in central Idaho, for example, Orofino. Expecting more of a mix of rain and snow. We have pretty good confidence for these amounts, or very good confidence for snowfall, accumulating snowfall this evening and Friday morning in Missoula. Amounts, like I say, the range is kind of big because we don't have really high confidence on big amounts, but nevertheless, we will have accumulating snow in these areas. And as mentioned, there's another system moving in Friday night through Saturday. Timing is more or less Friday night through Saturday morning for our biggest impacts. Once again, most valleys across west central and northwest Montana should expect snow accumulations anywhere from 2 to 4 inches. The further north you go into the valleys of the Flathead and the lower valleys in northwest Montana could see higher amounts of 3 to 5 or 6 inches of snow Friday night and Saturday. We have pretty high confidence in this too. And all mountain passes, Lolo, Lookout, Marias, and even down to Lost Trail Pass and Homestake can all expect accumulating snows, with the most amount of snows expected at Lookout and Lolo Pass. So let's get into some specifics here. Grangeville, see on our bar chart, perhaps an inch of snow tonight, and then once again another system moving in late Friday night into Saturday, with temperatures steadily falling by Sunday. Now the Missoula Valley, we're expecting, one of the changes we had is actually we have higher confidence for snow to accumulate later this afternoon into the overnight hours. And here you can see our bar chart for Missoula gives us anywhere from about 4 to 7 inches of snow. A little bit of a break, and then once again Friday night and Saturday morning. Homestake Pass, 4 to 8 inches of snow once again in this time frame through Friday morning, and then another round of snowfall Friday night and Saturday, but lighter amounts. Lolo Pass, snow will be at pass levels throughout. The snow is going to be more steady at Lolo Pass, with the biggest amounts or the most intense snows occurring again, same theme tonight, or excuse me, this evening through Friday morning, and then the graph bumps back up again on Saturday for another round of decent accumulating snows. Evaro Hill, just outside of Missoula, this evening through Friday morning, amounts anywhere 4 to 8 inches of snow, and then another round of snow Saturday. And this is going to be the common theme for everywhere I'm showing here. Lookout Pass, see the most amount of snows tonight, and then once again Saturday. They don't really stop snowing except for a little bit of a break during the day Friday. Same with Lost Trail Pass. Pretty good snow amounts tonight, a little bit of a break, and then once again Saturday. Philipsburg, see, everyone's got that same theme. Snow this evening through tomorrow morning, a little bit of a break Friday, and then another round of accumulating snows. Polson, as further you get into northwest Montana, amounts aren't as impressive, but nevertheless there will be accumulating snows, 2 to 4 inches up in the Polson area, a little bit of a break, and then a little bit more snow on Saturday. West Glacier, it's not expecting as much snow this evening through tomorrow morning as the system's a little bit further south, but Saturday, most amounts of, more accumulating snow is expected on Saturday. Same thing with Kalispell, a couple inches today, then a couple inches on Saturday. So let's talk about our 8 to 14 day outlook. This is from the Climate Prediction Center, and this is for the dates February 13th through 19th. On this map, we're blue into purple, which means if you look at the graph, they have a confidence level of 90% that temperatures are going to be below normal during this time frame. Doesn't really tell how much colder it's going to be, but nevertheless, high confidence at colder temperatures. Our average low, for example, in Missoula this time of year for the 13th through 19th is about 20 degrees, so they do have, we are going to be colder during this time frame. However, not much confidence if we're going to see any kind of big wet events. This map here on the right is the precipitation probability, so it's not a lot of confidence on either wet or dry. It looks like this time frame is just going to be filled with cold air and periods of snow, but no major snow outbreak is expected at this time. Here's our weather matrix. The first one is more or less Thursday night. Friday morning is going to be the biggest impacts for everything in orange here. Saturday, everyone's going to get accumulating snows. That's going to be the biggest issue, and that rides into Saturday morning into Sunday afternoon. Things will start to taper off by midday Sunday. And then no big winter impact expected Monday or Tuesday as colder air moves into the region. So summary. Steady mountain and high elevation snow Thursday through Saturday. Greatest intensity Thursday evening through Friday morning. Snow accumulations are now expected in the valleys, especially in the Missoula and the Bitterroot valleys, and in the lower elevations along the I-90 corridor. And potential for anywhere from 2 to 7 inches. And then once again, prolonged cold period expected February 10th through 20th. Hey, I hope everyone has a good day. Feel free to give us a jingle at 329-4840. If you have information to pass on or have questions, visit our website, weather.gov/Missoula, or email us. And we are on Twitter and Facebook at NWS Missoula. You can also see this YouTube as well. I hope everyone has a good day.